Hello guys, my name is Gauri Bandre. I'm an intern at Lexicon Company and my topic for today's discussion is homicide. So in today's discussion we'll see what is homicide, what are the types of homicide and what are the punishment prescribed in the law. So on the basis on proximity and the gravity of the offense, we divide physical assault into four parts. One is that of assault, second is hurt. Hurt is further divided into grievous hurt and simple hurt. Third is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which is section 299. And fourth is murder, that is culpable homicide amounting to murder under section 300. So homicide is killing of a man by another man. It is considered to be the gravest of all offenses and is punishable under law. So to understand the concept better, let us divide homicide into two types. One is lawful and other is unlawful. So lawful is further divided into excusable homicide and justifiable homicide. So what are excusable homicide? Those which are covered under general exception. Justifiable is those which are justified under law. Unlawful is further divided into two types again. One is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which is section 299, and culpable homicide amounting to murder, which is section 300. So what is culpable homicide not amounting to murder? Whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death or with the intention of causing bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that he is likely to such act to cause death, commits the offense of culpable homicide. So here the difference would be that of likely. It means it might or might not cause death of some other person. For an example, if A tries to beat B by sitting on his chest and beating him with a bamboo stick, this case he is not actually trying to kill that person but trying to hurt or provide a grievous hurt to that person, right? So in this case it will amount to culpable homicide not amounting to murder based on its proximity. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder will vary from circumstances to circumstances. It will completely depend on the situation if it is a murder or not. In case of culpable homicide amounting to murder, there are certain ingredients and essentials which must be fulfilled. The ingredients would be: one, there should be death of a person. Second, doing an act. There should be an intention to cause bodily injury which is likely to cause death of the another person. Third is the act must be done with the knowledge that 100% it is going to cause death of a person. So here we can take an example. If A tries to kill B on a point blank range, then in this case it will be considered as murder, as A had all the circumstances and the prima facie evidence will support this case. The punishment which is prescribed in the law to culpable homicide not amounting to murder would be that of imprisonment for a term or maybe 10 years or so. Whereas on the other hand, under section 300, the punishment would be that of imprisonment for life or even death. Now death is only prescribed under law on rarest of the rare case. It will depend on the grievousness of the hurt provided and how the crime has been committed. It will absolutely depend on that. So yeah guys, this was the broad difference between culpable homicide amounting to murder and culpable homicide not amounting to murder. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.